Today I've got two cute Easter hairstyles for you. This is the first one. So this is a butterfly bubble braid that I'm doing on this little cutie today. I thought it'd be a nice Easter style. So I've put the hair into pigtails and then I'm taking some coloured elastics and just tying that quite tightly around the hair. And then I want you to tease out, but don't just tease the front, tease all the way around like 360. So nice and tight, and then hold on to it and tease it just to create that real bubble effect. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. I'm teasing out. The little one was passing me all the different colour elastics. It was so cute. She was really concentrating at this point. Now, I got these from Shein. And they're like little hair beads, but you just kind of clip them in. So you just hook them in and then press them, and they kind of like press closed. So I used all different colours. Again, she was passing them to me. And then we did butterflies. Look at her, she's concentrating on the next one. And I put those all the way along. So on every elastic, I put a butterfly in. And then we did the same on the other side, just alternating the colours. And these little hair clip things stay in, like they don't fall out at all. And look how cute. And then we've got a little guest appearance by Sequin the Penguin. And there's the finished result. So we are on to the second style now. So I've just started off by creating a diagonal part in the hair. Clipping that out the way. Coming to the other side, you're just going to place this other side into a ponytail. So I'm just using a little elastic here. Then you're coming back to the other side, releasing that hair down, and you're going to create a little ponytail at the front. So again, I'm just using elastics to do this, making sure it's all secure, grabbing some hair from underneath and then combining that top ponytail. So you're going to put another elastic in here, and then you're going to hold onto the elastic and just use your fingers and just tease that hair up, just creating almost like a little bubble effect. You're going to repeat this process, just taking a small piece of hair, putting an elastic in and creating that bubble. So do as many of those as you want to do. And then once you've done that, I got some little chicks from Amazon. You can get them from eBay, anywhere really. And I just used my comb, lifted up an elastic and then hooked the feet into it. And honestly, they stayed put really, really well. It was really easy to do. So I went for sort of a multicoloured look here, but you could just use little yellow chickies if you want to. And then I finished off this style just putting in two little hair bows like so. And that is going to complete our second Easter style. There's little Phoebe, she liked this one. So that's my two styles for Easter this year. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.